We have to solve for this exponential equation here. Exponential power 2.5x equals to 8.42. All right, so we're going to talk about two items right now, very quickly. Okay, so we're going to talk about the natural log and then the common log. So we have ln, which is the natural log, okay, which is the same thing as having log base e, which is natural log. All right, then log, the one we are already accustomed to, equals to log base 10 equals to the common log. All right, so those are two items that we want to talk about. Now, the other thing that we want to talk about is, so since we're solving for x here, we're going to leave answer to the nearest thousandth. Okay, nearest thousandth just means 3 decimal places, 3 digits after the decimal point. So let's go for this. Now, once we have an equation this way, we're trying to cancel the exponential so that we can solve for x. The first thing we got to do is to add the ln to both sides. So that means we have ln of exponential 2.5x equals to ln of 8.42. All right, so once we have this is good. So far, what can we do? We remember the properties of ln, the properties of log functions. So by having that, so that means the 2.5 can come down, 2.5x. Then you have ln of e equals to ln of 8.42. You are good so far? So now, why did we use ln? It's because that's the inverse function of exponential. And so that what's going to happen, ln of e also is equal to 1 because they are inverse to each other. So when you have them this way, multiplying, that will give you 1. So ln of e is 1. So you end up with 2.5x. Okay, so these two, that becomes 1. That is equal to ln of 8.42. Are you good so far? So what do we know? 2.5x times 1 is just the same thing, 2.5x. All right? And that is equal to ln of 8.42. What are we solving for? X. So that means what? We're going to divide both sides by 2.5. 2.5. So this is out. So we're doing x equals ln of 8.42 divided by 2.5. All right, so remember, we want our answer to the nearest thousandth. So that means we're going to have to find the ln of 8.42 here very quickly. So we need that. And that will give us, so this is equal to 2.130. So I'm going to write all the numbers, right? All the digits. I'm going to write them out. 828. So we said this is divided by 2.5. Okay, so let's do the operation here. And then we end up with, so this is x. So I'm going to come here. So we have x then equals to 0.8522. All right, 22, then 43, 93, 13. All right, so once we get this, so what's going to happen? We need 2 decimal places, 3 decimal places, so that means 1, 2, 3. So here is where we want to stop, and then we have to go for the number that follows it. If that number is 5 or higher, we're going to add 1 to this one, but if that number is less than 5, we're going to keep it this way. So we're going to have 0.852, that is x, And then, ladies and gentlemen, we are finished. We have 3 decimal places here. We are done. Thank you.